Hi children, welcome back. You all had your breakfast and came for the session, right children? Yes, never skip your breakfast. It is important for your health. It keeps you active throughout the day. Okay children, because if you have your breakfast, your brain will be active. Okay? You will all do that, right? Okay, now shall we go to our lesson children? Okay, so what did we learn yesterday? Kashvi, can you tell me? Yes, we have learnt about the types of plants. Very good. Nidhi, can you tell me how many types of plants are there? Yes, six types. There are six types of plants. There are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers and water plants. Okay children, now we understood about the types of plants also in our lesson, right? Shall we go ahead and learn about the uses of plants? Okay children, shall we start our lesson uses of plants? Okay. Okay children, now you tell me, are plants useful to us or not? Are they helping us or not? Yes, they are helping us. Good, everybody is nodding your head. Yes, the plants are helping us. How are they helping us? Air, very good. Yes, we are getting the fresh air from the plants. Plants are taking in the carbon dioxide from the air and they are giving us oxygen. Okay, children? So that way the plants are helping us to breathe fresh air. Okay, and also plants are helpful to us in many ways. Shall we go to our pictures and understand more about the uses of plants, children? Come on. See children, teacher was telling you, right, plants are useful to us in many ways. Can you see the picture? How happily plant is helping us? Isn't it children? Shall we go and learn more about it? Yes, plants keep the air clean and also make our surroundings beautiful. If you see this picture, we all feel it, right? How beautiful the scenery is. And where from is that scenery coming? It is in our environment. Okay, the plants are making our environment look beautiful. Isn't it children? Yes. Shall we go to our next picture? Yes. Plants give us food. We all have learnt about it in the lesson, our food. Isn't it children? In our class 1. And class 2 also we have read food we eat. So since long time we are learning that plant give us food. Yes, what is your favorite vegetable? Ishan, can you tell me? Yes, Ishan is telling that potato is his favorite vegetable. Where from we are getting that? From plants. Yes? Yes. Now, Tarun, can you tell me what is your favorite fruit? Mango. Very good. And mangoes we are getting from mango tree. It is also a type of plant. So, we are getting our fruits also from plant. And we are getting the pulses and cereals. What are these pulses and cereals? We also eat the seeds of the plant. We call them as food grains. The food grains are divided into pulses and cereals. Cereals, they will be made into flour. You might have seen your mother making chapati with atta, wheat flour, isn't it? So that wheat flour is made with wheat grains. Okay children, that we call as cereals. And what are the pulses? Our peas, dal, dal is made with the pulses. Have you ever seen the grains children? After the session, go and check what the grains and you can identify the difference between pulses and cereals. Shall we move on? Yes, plants are also homes for insects, birds and other animals. See this picture children. It is very nice, right? See the birds are there. The birds are making the nest there. Monkeys, parrots, squirrels and insects also, honeybees. Yes, can you see the snake here? So, animals are taking the shelter in the plants. Isn't it children? That is why plants are also home for insects and birds. You know children, in olden days there were tree houses also. People used to build the houses on the top of the tree. Okay children? Now shall we move on? Yes. Plant gives us wood. Wood. What will we do with wood? See this. This is also a color pencil. Your ice cream sticks, chopsticks, color pencils, the cot, the wooden door, your wooden chairs, study tables are all made out of wood. And where are we getting that wood from? We are getting it from the plants. So plants are also giving us wood with which we are making so many things. Isn't it, children? All these wooden bed, wooden decor, wooden door, wooden chair, all we call them as furniture. Okay, so plants are giving us wood with which we are making furniture. And this is your cricket bat. Many of you like to play cricket, isn't it, children? So that cricket bat is also made out of wood. Wood of the willow tree is used for making cricket bat. Okay, children. Now teacher was talking about the furniture. Trees such as shisham, teak, bamboo are used to make furniture. Wood is also burnt as fuel for cooking. In olden days, children, when there were no ovens and gas stoves, people were using this wood and making the stove kind of thing. Okay, that they were using the wood as fuel for burning. Okay, children. Now we get paper from bamboo trees. Can you see this picture closely? How different trees are cut and it is crushed. See, after that it is made into paper. You will learn more about making paper with trees in higher classes. Okay, children? Now you will remember we get paper from bamboo trees. Shall we move on? Yes. See this? Rubber plant give us rubber. What is this? This is rubber plant. Out of the rubber we are making the erasers and tires. When you keep eraser in your mouth, when you are in the classroom, teacher tells you, right, do not keep the erasers in the mouth. Why? They are made out of this rubber. It's not safe to keep them inside the mouth. Okay, children? So from this rubber plant, a white color liquid will be coming out. That is called latex. So that liquid is collected and the eraser and tire, everything is made. Okay, children? Now see this. Acacia tree gives us gum. What is this? Acacia tree gives us gum. This is acacia tree. Can you see the picture? This is acacia tree. So from the bark of the acacia tree, a gum will be collected. See what is oozing out of the bark? When we take out the bark of acacia tree, see how the gum is oozing out? That is collected and we all use it as adhesive. Adhesive means something used to stick. Okay? Now, shall we move on? Yes, plants gives us oils. Your puri and dosa, they all need oil, right, children? Yes, those are all oily foods. We all discussed about that in the lesson food we eat. So, children, the plants are giving us oil also. If you can see this sunflower oil, when you go to any supermarket, you might have seen, right, your parents are buying the oil and on the oil pocket you will see sunflower mostly. Isn't it, children? And even groundnut seeds also are giving us the groundnut oil. Olives, castor, sesame. Okay, all these seeds are used to extract the oil. See this, children? Eucalyptus oil. Can you see all these oils? So plants gives us oils. Shall we move on? Yes. See this picture, children? Plants are used in medicines. Plants are used to make medicines. What are those plants? Tulsi, turmeric, aloe vera, amla. See this tulsi, juice of tulsi leaves is used for cough and cold. Okay, children, next time if you have cough or cold, tell your mother to give the juice of tulsi leaves. Okay, turmeric is used in cooking and also anti-inflammatory. It is very good for our health, children. Next, aloe vera. Juice of aloe vera plant is good for our skin. It will make our skin glow. Okay, amla. Amla juice is good for stomach. It helps in the digestion. So children, the plants are giving different medicines also. Plants help us to take care of our health. Isn't it, children? Yes. Now see this. Sweet smelling flowers like rose and jasmine or used to make perfumes. Perfumes. Can you see this picture? Yes, the rose and jasmine flowers smell very good, isn't it, children? So the flowers are used to make perfumes. Okay, most of you might have seen your parents using perfumes at home, right? Yes, that perfumes are also made from plants. Okay, what is this? Plants give us fiber such as jute and cotton. Do you know, children, what is this? Cotton. It is coming from cotton plant. With the cotton plant, we get the cotton and cloths are made with that. Okay, and there is another plant, jute plant. Jute plant is used to make the jute bags, ropes, sacks, gunny bags. You know your gunny bags, right? See this? Yes, so plant gives us fiber such as jute and cotton. So plants are also giving us clothes, isn't it, children? Yes. See, they give us so much. Plants are giving us so much. Children, do you know that trees give us so much? All they want in return is a little love and care. They are also living beings just like us. So we must take good care of them. If you see the picture, see how plant is giving us so many things happily. It is helping the birds. It is giving us the food. It is giving us clean air to breathe. Isn't it, children? So we should take care of the plant. We should not cut the plant. See, when the woodcutter is going to the tree to cut it, see that tree unknowingly, that tree doesn't know he has come to cut it. So the tree thought of giving something to him, the food. See how innocent the trees are? Isn't it, children? Should we cut the trees? No, we should not cut the trees. We should save the trees. What should we do? We should save the trees. We have learned so many uses of plants. Isn't it, children? Shall we go back to our board now? Okay, children, while seeing the pictures, we have learned that plants are very helpful to us. They are giving us so many things. Isn't it, children? They are giving us fresh air, food, homes, medicines, oils, wood, fiber, rubber, gum, perfumes. And one important thing plants are also giving us, that is paper. Did we see that? Yes, we have seen. Children, we all like to tear the papers and throw that away. Isn't it, children? We all have seen in our pictures that so many plants are cut to make the paper. Isn't it? So, we shouldn't waste the paper, children. Do you like to cut the trees? No, you don't like. So, you shouldn't waste the paper also. Next time when you are wasting the paper, think for a while. Because we have taken the life out of the plant and we are making the paper. Okay, children, will you all keep that in your mind, right? Okay, so after the class, see the video 2-3 times so that you can remember different uses of plants. Okay, children, bye, take care.